Attention homeowners, this is Mary from RE/MAX Realty Centre, and this is your real estate tip of the week. Today I'm sitting on my deck, which was damaged during this past week's storm. A tree fell and missed my house by inches. I know many of you are likely dealing with similar issues at the moment, so I wanted my next tip to provide you with up-to-date information about homeowners insurance. If you have mortgage, you are required to have homeowners insurance, but it's up to you how much coverage you have above and beyond what is required by your mortgage lender. If you own your home outright, you may still want to consider a homeowner's insurance policy to protect your assets in case damage to your home or an accident on your property. Please check your policy details and read the small print. Often, it takes something serious to happen for you to realize you are not actually covered for certain items for an adequate amount. If you have any questions, you should address your concerns with your insurer. You are paying to provide your home and belongings with financial protection, so it is critical that you ensure you are getting the right levels of coverage. Do you have enough insurance to cover replacement costs? The replacement cost of your home is not what you paid for your house, it's the amount it will cost to rebuild your house excluding the land. Today, policies are required to cover 100%. Policies issued before 1990 were not required to cover 100%. Remember, the replacement cost of your home can change because of improvements you've made, rising costs of construction materials, so please visit your coverage annually to make sure you're covered adequately. What about your personal property? The contents of your house, like furniture, computers, clothes, jewelry, artwork, other equipment. Most policies consider the value of your property, of your personal property, to be approximately half of the amount of insurance you have on the house itself. If you think your personal items are worth more than this, you might want to consider a complete list of your possessions, taking photos of all the items you want covered. Also, remember, your personal valuables may be valued more than what your homeowner's insurance policy may cover, so you may want to consider a personal floater to protect them. What about if your home is damaged and you have to live elsewhere while it is being repaired? Coverage should cover rent or hotel bills, meals, and other living expenses incurred while you're out of your home. What about liability coverage in case someone is injured on your property, needs medical care, or decides to sue you? You also want to be protected if something in your house or on your property causes damage to another house. For example, if your tree falls on your neighbor's garage. Umbrella coverage is liability insurance that protects your assets in cases where your policy's liability coverage is not adequate. For example, if someone is injured on your property and decides to sue you, your homeowner's insurance would probably not be enough to pay legal fees or judgments against you. An umbrella policy will help protect your assets and make sure that a catastrophic claim will not put those assets at risk. You may also want to consider this if you have equipment on your property, such as a swimming pool or a trampoline. I researched and put together this video as food for thought because, as you can see here in the background, my tree missed my house by 2 inches and it was scary. It could have been much worse, and it reminded me that being prepared by being properly insured is important. I'm not an insurance agent, but as an experienced realtor, I feel it's my job to educate you in the best way I know how. If you need assistance when it pertains to real estate, I'm the one to call. I'm Mary Sloane, and I approve this message.